In today's video, you'll learn how to set Microsoft Edge as your default PDF viewer so every PDF opens exactly where you want. No extra clicks, no switching apps. Let's keep this quick and beginner-friendly. First, find any PDF file on your computer. It can be something you downloaded or already have saved. Now, right-click on that file. A menu will appear. From here, hover over Open With, then click on Choose Another App. This is where you tell your system which app should handle PDF files. You'll now see a list of available applications. Scroll through until you find Microsoft Edge. If it's not immediately visible, take a second to look carefully. It should be there. Click on Microsoft Edge to select it. But don't stop here. This next step is important. Right below the app list, you'll see a checkbox that says Always use this app to open PDF files. Make sure you check that box. This is what makes Edge your default viewer instead of just opening the file one time. Once that's done, click OK. And that's it. From now on, every PDF you open will automatically launch in Microsoft Edge. No more manually choosing apps each time. If you ever want to switch back to another viewer, you can repeat the same steps and select a different app. And that's how you set Microsoft Edge as your default PDF viewer. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.